Hey guys, it's Jesse.Davenport. We're coming today from Guaranty RV Super Centers. We're going to take a look at a 2021. This is a new Alliance. It's a 310 RL. Come on inside. We're going to take a look at the inside. Okay guys, on this inside here, you're going to notice there's no carpet on the slide. Big windows, these new windows, lots of little hidden compartments throughout this whole thing. Very upgraded furniture. It's got a big pantry with a light in it. So here in the bathroom, you'll notice this huge residential shower. It's got really nice counters, air conditioning in here, the vent above. It's got a really nice higher toilet. So up here in the bedroom, it's got really cool barn doors. Gives you that western feel. It's got a big king bed, high ceilings. This has a 3 air conditioner unit. In the closet up front, you can walk in and it's got a light. Hey guys, just to point out 3 big things. This one has Asdale. It's a full-time live-in. It's got 3 air conditioners. There's so much to talk about. Give me a call, text me, email me. My cell phone's 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.